Hello friends, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Jeromekeys Music. So today I want to teach you something very special, and this tutorial I want to do today has been long. I did it, I've been doing lead and bass line breakdown, and I know most of you on my YouTube channel join through this video I do with lead and bass line. So today I will be doing lead and bass line breakdown for you guys. Please make sure you subscribe. Those of you that have been watching my video and be learning so many things without subscribing and liking and commenting, it's not proper. Most Nigerian instrumentalists will not even teach you all this for free. But I do show you some techniques of how I know most of you do learn with what I'm teaching you. Most of the breakdown I do, most of you do playings in church and all that, I know. So please, all you just have to do for me is to like, comment, subscribe. It's free. Subscription is free. Watching is free. Commenting is free. Liking is free. Okay? If you like and comment, you guys will be gingering me to do more breakdown for you guys. But if you are not watching, I'm doing something, you're not watching, you're not commenting, you're not liking, do not ginger me. So please, just do that for me. God bless you. So here's my lead. Here's my bass. So I'll be doing it on this popular song. It's only name I know most of you, whenever you hear the song in church, this is what you'll be playing. Just only this one. So you just remain on fa so so fa do do fa so so fa, not knowing that they are bass line you can just use and finish the song. Fa so so fa do do fa. I know that is what everybody knows. Even me, I do play that, but I don't remain on that. Whenever I start with that fa so so fa do do, I will change to something like this now. So you can see what I was doing on the video. So it's very simple. It's very simple. Not that you'll be doing throughout the song. It will not make sense. But when you start with all this, that is when people will even start dancing the more. Not only doing. So I'm playing on F sharp, and the key I'm on is on F sharp. I'll be calling out the notes for those of us that are not familiar on F sharp, so you can apply it to your own key. Okay? Please make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Don't forget to comment. Okay? God bless you. So now, the first thing I was playing is, as you all know, let me just do this one for those. I know most of us don't even know how to do this. Fa, so, so, fa, do, do. I also have beginners here, so let me just start with that. So you go, the bass line. Fa, do, do, fa, so, so, fa, do, do, fa, so, so, fa. Then. Let me move this lead line to this place so you can see it very well. Let me just shift. Sorry. Yeah. You can see. Fala, fare, eso si, fare, mi so do, fare, eso si, fare, mi so do, fare, eso si, fare, mi so. Very simple. You can see. Fare, eso si, this is the lead line. Mi so do, fare, eso si. So many people have the way they play their own, but I'm just teaching you the way I play mine. You can see. Fa, so, so, fa, do, do. Fare, re, so, si, fare, mi, so, do, fare, re, so, si. So that's how I play mine. Hope you have gotten this. So now. So this one now. Mi, do, la, so, re, ti, la, so, mi, do, la, so, re, ti, la, so. Do, mi, do, la, so, ti, re, ti, la, so, mi, do, la, so, re, ti, la, so, do, mi, do, la, so, ti, re, ti, la, so. So you just be changing that. Then mi, do, mi, so, re, ti, mi, so. So just be tapping this song now. It's very simple. Not doing magic. Just so do so 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 do so 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 do so 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 do so. So do so 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 do so so. Just be tapping it. Hope you are getting it. Hope you are getting it. So I'm teaching you like 3 now. So do mi la mi so ti re so fa so. So do so re so do so re so la. I know this is the one most of you will be hearing, be saying, how this guy tell you do this thing? So do so. Can see? Do so. Then ti so. That's just the simple thing I'm doing. I'm not doing magic. Understand? So this is just what I'm doing there. You understand? You know with this now you can play so many things on this song. is what you play here. So thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Please, if you are not subscribing, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. I know you love what I'm teaching you, and I'll be teaching you more. If you can ginger me by liking, commenting, and subscribe, I'll be teaching you more. Okay? Any breakdown you want me to do, comment on the video below. Any of my video below, I'll try and do it. God bless you, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share. God bless you.